How to fix the Samsung USB connector connected disconnect problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're having this issue of USB connector being disconnected, in this video we are going to show you exactly how to fix it. So first thing is you need to clean up the USB port on your phone with a soft brush using a different charging cable, and go ahead and try restarting your phone. After that is done, so look for any visible damage, fraying or loose connections of the cable. That may be also the reason. So gently clean your phone's USB port first. After that, you can head over to the settings first of your device and scroll down and go to the About Phone section and update your phone to the latest software. So check for available software updates and install any pending updates. After that, head over to the developer options of your device and this one right here. So choose the appropriate USB connection mode based on what you want to use, for example, file transfer or USB tethering. So you can do that and do it. If this doesn't work, the last method you can do is go ahead and factory reset your device and consider that. So for now, these are the methods you can apply up in order to fix the Samsung USB connector disconnected problem. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.